In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the flatten function here in Google Sheets. So we have our example data set right here, where we are going to try and figure out how many people are in the schedule and how many times their names appear in the same schedule. Let's get started. So we're going to start our formula with the equal sign, type in flatten, or select it right here, then select the range. If you press enter, now you have the long list of all the names right here in this column. Now to know how many unique names we have on our list, what we're going to do is to use the unique function. Put it in before your flatten function. Type in unique, then add your parentheses. Press enter. And now we have the unique characters on our list. Let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next thing that we're going to figure out is how many times these names appear on our schedule. That will be our attendance. And we're going to be doing that with the same flatten function. Let's start our formula again with the equal sign. Type in flatten. Select the same range and press enter. So our next step would be to start another formula right here where we will use the sum product function. That will help us count how many times a certain name or certain character appears on the list. Now we're going to select our array, which is equal to our name right here. And there you have it. So if you press enter, we have Mike appear 5 times on our schedule. So to clean up our sheet, what we can do is to copy this one and paste it within our formula to replace this one. Paste it. It will give us the same result. Now we can just delete this. And before we drag this down, let's just make sure to lock in our reference by pressing F4 on our keyboard. If we press enter and drag it down, we will have the attendance for each name right here. And those were just 2 of the many ways on how to use the flatten function here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.